Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to hide grid lines in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Now, it's quite easy to hide the grid lines. All you have to do is the following. First, go ahead and click on the View tab on the top portion of your Excel. Once you're here, go to the Show group and click on or uncheck the Grid Lines checkbox. Now, we can see that the grid line suddenly disappeared for the rest of the table, and we just have our data over here with pre-inputted borders appear on our screen. Now, to turn it back on, all you have to do is click on the grid lines again by ticking on the checkbox. And there we go. Now, if ever we want to remove the grid lines for whatever reason of our data, it's quite simple actually. First, select the data that we want to remove the grid lines on and click on No Border. Once we've done that, just fix the following. There we go. And now, we should be able to color our cell white in order to show no grid lines at all. This is a quick tutorial, so there we have it. This is how we hide grid lines in Microsoft Excel.